Happy Pride Month, everyone. You guys know how much I love you, and I look at it this way, that I wouldn't be where I am today without your community and without your support, and I'm truly and eternally forever grateful. So my great friend Andre Leontelli invited me to come down to his ball. It was very emotional because I hadn't seen some of these faces since I was 17 or 18 years old when he first introduced me to them. Jose touched my heart especially. I want to show you some of the highlights from the ball. Thank you, Andre, for inviting me, and happy Pride Month.
Now is the time for revival. Hallelujah!
Fears, as described of myself, stands for fabulous, independent, educated radicals for community empowerment.
We are here in church. This is an homage to all the children of all cultures and culture extravaganza.
I've known since I was 16 years old, 33 years. This is the man that introduced me to the first Bergen house, and the first Bergen house for me was the houses of extravaganza. All of these houses have to live, and live. You inspire us. We need you. Yes. We love you. Yes. And you need to show me a new walk.
Naomi not only is in high fever on the runways, but she's giving back to her communities. She's giving back to Africa. She is a great global activist. But darling, as Diana Ribbon said, elegance is refusal.
Naomi Campbell was the first ever black woman I saw on the magazine, and any school possible, even for myself, being a black man myself. And I respect her and I love her so much, and I've watched her career for so long, and I honestly, in my eyes, she is the epitome of modeling.
Thank you so much for what you have done for us.
because as a woman of color, as a woman of sexiness, I understand what it is to have to work so hard for what you want, and you worked hard for everything that you got, and you accomplished it. And you know what? I love you forever, Naomi.
I've missed you, I love you, and every time I see you, it's like we never left each other. It's always love.
First of all, Naomi is the iconic face, the mother of face, honey. So it means everything in the world that she's here, because these icons that were honored tonight, they deserve that.
To me, it's really interesting how voguing as a scene started as people who were trying to escape a cruel reality and imagining themselves through the lens of Naomi Campbell, through the lens of 90s supermodels. And I'm just so lucky to be able to experience a day where Supermodel is inspired by voguing legends.
Hold on, I got a favor to ask you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Being Naomi.